Dictionary at dictionary. In a general sense, wheeze is a verb and noun used to describe noisy, labored breathing often accompanied by a high-pitched, whistling sound. It typically occurs when someone is struggling to breathe due to a narrowing or blockage in their airways, such as during an asthma attack or when a person has a respiratory infection. As a verb, wheeze signifies the act of breathing in this noisy and difficult manner. The term is often associated with respiratory difficulties and is used to describe the sound and sensation of strained breathing. Discussions involving wheeze are prevalent in healthcare, particularly in the context of diagnosing and treating respiratory conditions.